Hello! Here is my Christmas cake for my family. I am Claudia from Cake4three. As you might have seen, I did many tests, such as preparing the houses, how to make the trees, tests on the duration of the whipped cream, to be sure that all the components worked. You can find the links to those videos in the description. I started by preparing the houses for the village and the sugar paste decorations. Here's some skis and snowboards that I coated with cocoa butter so that they would not get wet when they touched the cream. As you can see, I stuck it with a toothpick on the polystyrene or on an apple to dry. The base is 2 cakes placed side by side, sculpted and covered with chocolate ganache, and then with vegetable whipped cream that holds at room temperature well. You can use milk one, but is more delicate. Then I prepared a decoration box for transport. I leave you the link to the video on how to put the cakes in the boxes. Finally, here's the result once I arrived at destination. The lights can be purchased at any Christmas decoration shop. I just had to wipe them with alcohol before putting them in contact with food. Guys, if I did it, you can do it too. Let me know what you are interested to see, and how I can improve my video.